Welcome! If you've ever wondered how to add your current city to your Facebook page using your computer, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the latest steps so you can update your profile and let friends know where you're living now. Let's get started. First, open up your favorite browser and head straight to Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you directly to your profile page. From here, look for the About section. You'll usually find it just below your cover photo or listed in the menu options. Click on About to continue. Now, you'll see several categories about your personal information. What you want to do is find the section labeled Places Lived. Click on that, and you'll be taken to a page where you can manage your current and past locations. Here comes the important part. Look for the option that says Add Current City. It should be pretty easy to spot. Click on it, and a form will pop up. Enter your current city in the field provided. You can also fill in any other details if you'd like to be more specific. Once you've entered your information, double-check to make sure everything is correct. When you're ready, click the Save button. That's it. Your current city will now appear on your Facebook page, making it easy for friends, family, and followers to see where you're based. Updating your current city is a great way to keep your profile fresh and help people connect with you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.